Make a great choice today with the 2022 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.